Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we are going to do a lesson today on factorial. If you don't know what factorial is, just a quick, let's say 4 factorial, look like this in math. And this is how you would do it. So, alright, it's 4, whatever the factorial is, then every number minus 1 thereafter. So 4 factorial is 24. And we're going to write a function that can do factorial. So first I'm going to show you a way that works that is inefficient and bad. Then I'm going to show you a more efficient way that is called recursion, or a recursive function, and that's just a fancy way to say call itself over and over and over again. So alright, let's go ahead and get started. So here's the bad way. So we're going to take in x, and this is the first way I learned it. Again, bad way, and then we'll do the right way in a second. While x, and we want this to go through 1, so greater than 0, we need to have a number. I missed a step. Let's just say tote, and we're multiplying, so we don't want it to change, so let's make it 1. So alright, again, this is the bad way. So alright, because this has way too many steps to it. Then we're going to say x, while it's greater than 0, we're going to say tote, and we're going to increment this. 0, x. Then we need to bring this down by 1. So then x, increment it down by 1. So alright, we just saw what 4 factorial is. Let's see if we did this right. Let's see if I missed any steps. Let's run this. Ooh, I missed a lot. Alright, I think I had some code sitting at the top that was throwing this off. Look what I didn't do. Print tote. Boom. 24. I had some code at the top of the page that gave us this funky. So this is, look how sloppy this is. This is horrible. So alright, let's do this a different way. Let's use real recursion. So let's block this out. Guess I could have just kept that, but let's keep moving. Here's going to be the correct way to write recursion. So there's also a term for when we use factorial. Even if it's 0, the math, if you don't know the math on factorial, go and look it up. But if it's still 0, you still get 1. So we need to account for that because it's still a set of 1. So we need to account. And we need to use return on this because we're going to be going through this, so it has to work with something. So we can't use print on this. We have to return 1, or we have to use the return statement. So now this is where this is going to get a little weird. We're going to call itself, but x minus 1, and we'll go over this. So now, oops, anybody catch what I did? Forgot my return. So alright, and to cover our basis, alright, we got our parentheses. So Now, if I were to just run this, it wouldn't work. Since we're getting a return right here, we have to use, nothing will happen. So if we want this to print to the screen, we have to do print on the function. So let's test our math and let's see if we did it. And then I'll explain what this is right here. All right, we ready? Lo and behold, 24. So all right, let's go over what in the world, because this took me a while. So all right, the first time through, x is 4, right? So then we're saying, okay, that's x. Then I want you to then do this, and it's, oops, let's undo what I did over here. Multiplying, then it's, I want you to take 4 minus 1, multiply that by, then this is 3. So basically Python can keep up with that because that just went into this function. So then 3 minus 1 and so on. And that's actually, and this loops and loops and loops until it fails. Now technically we should probably do 1 to say that this is greater than 1, but that's only when we're wanting to catch errors. But this is recursion. This is how you will use a function inside another function, and a perfect use of recursion is if we're going to use factorial and we want to do how to find out what factorial is of a number. So thanks for watching. Hope you guys are getting something out of this. Please leave a comment or click the like button, and don't forget to click the subscribe. Thanks again. See you next time.